interesting. Are gifting subscriptions to Dylan Spencer? Well, I don't know if people can. Yeah, let me just check on the stream. Streamlab said send me an email. It says, congrats on completing your first stream. Well, definitely wasn't my first stream. Right. Let me check. Make sure we're not streaming to something that we're not supposed to be streaming to. Twitch. Fine. 725 source. 725 source. 725 source. Which 1080p. 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 725 source. Bad quality. 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 725 source. The audio. That was crazy. Yeah, so today we're going to be doing some more vibe coding. We're going to be working on more mirror project. Let me put on my headphones. Yeah, let me turn down my volume. Yeah, we're gonna be working on some more of this coding. Wait for some more people to come in the stream. Yeah, what do we have to do today? I want to get the sound working. I can't remember where we were. Okay, so trigger mirror. So we stop FFmpeg, we make sure that's not going. Capture the frame. Yup. Let's test that as well. Yeah, we can. Yeah, desktop's gonna be the one. Let's see, 10, 42, 3000. Let's see. Wait for. Oh my god, that's disgusting. I should have cleaned that up a little bit. Oops. We'll blame it. That's my girlfriend's side of the room, so we'll blame that on her. Okay, so that's working. Stops FFmpeg. Now if I hit our button, should see something come in here. Okay. App audio mirror response .mp3. So where does that get chosen from? Okay, here, speak with 11 Labs. So let's go take a look at that. Yeah. So text voice ID sends to here, and then where do we play? Open the file here. And we're calling FF play. Interesting. We don't get any errors. Interesting. Okay. So what I want to do now is just double check that it's gonna output to the right place here. So we want it to output to our aux, not to whatever else that the Raspberry Pi is trying to output audio to. So when playing audio
via FF play. I want it to play via the RPi aux port. And we're just gonna paste the code specific to this, which is this. So on a Raspberry Pi, the aux jack is typically hardware 0, but the safer modern option is to use the analog ALSA output device exposed by ALSA utils. Okay, since you're on Balena OS, you're most certainly using ALSA, not Pulse Audio. So we want to modify it to do this. So, but wait, FFplay normally treats the last argument as the input file. To explicitly tell FFplay that your MP3 is the file to decode, you should put the audio device in an output argument instead. Okay. I wonder why it would even try to give me this. That's really funny. So the real final working command for RPi is this. Okay. So yeah, it's basically just going to set the device here, the output device, to be hardware 00. Yeah, let's try this. So we're changing, what's the command here? We're changing the subprocess.open. This. Do we get, yeah, we get that log, so it tries to do it, just doesn't output it via the right thing. Okay, so it's rerunning it. Alright. Let me, I'm just gonna go double check to make sure that the sound's working, or whether it's not working. You should be able to see the log to code. Yeah, I didn't really hear anything. Looks like it said it was playing via FFplay, but it doesn't look like the audio is playing. So let's see what we can do here. What I get? So send TTS audio. So that's coming out. What does this recommend here? It says to use a play inside the container. So let's copy that. And we can open up a new terminal. And we can do Balena SH to this. And then we run that command. Yeah, aplay is not found, but let's try the mirror container. See if that works. In this container, so aplay is not found. Okay, so aplay. Yeah, let's see this here. Copy this command. Paste this here. So, yeah, does not contain ALSA. So, confirm ALSA devices with FMPEG itself. So, let's copy this, paste this in here. Let's see. We have octagonal, cube, hexadiagonal. I don't know what that is. Down mix. Okay. We didn't see ALSA in there. But we do get this. This looks good, actually. So I'll copy that. So paste that in. Maybe we need to do that. So Balena exposes host audio via UDEV plus ALSA when you enable devices. Okay. Interesting. So maybe we need to add this then. So we go to our Docker compose. In here, privilege is true, environment there, and let's just add this to the bottom. We'll paste that. Tab that. Okay, let's just save that and see. So it's telling us auto detect sources. So C615 is your Logitech HD webcam. Not a speaker. There's no Raspberry blah, blah, blah showing up at all. So at the moment, FFplay. Wait. Let me make sure that my audio jack's actually plugged in. Hold up. Audio jack is plugged in. So audio jack's plugged in. Yeah, audio jack's plugged in. I'm gonna keep this off for a second. Audio jack's plugged in, but I think that now that we added this, this might work better. Okay, so then in the container we'll do this. So let's go back here. Get back into this container and then paste this in. Okay, I think that's good actually. So now let's run this command again. Click the button. Let's see. Come on, I wish this was faster. Okay. That's interesting that didn't work that time. Okay, interesting. Let's run it again. Yeah, why would I get different responses every time? That's annoying. That's annoying. Hello world. So strange. Okay, run Balena push. It's almost like the wrong build got pushed again. Yeah, that's annoying. Interesting. Apply audio. Takes so long to build, what the hell? Maybe I need to change up my Docker file for some reason. Like, I have the build step in here wrong or something. Like, this needs to be higher up, maybe? Yeah, I don't know. It's very strange. Every time I save, I shouldn't have to redo all of this install stuff here. Or maybe I have to, because mirror.py, interesting, yeah. Maybe I need a startup script that then goes and runs mirror.py so that every time I save this file, it doesn't go and fuck up. I feel like that's probably the issue. Okay. Almost done. Coming to us. Come on. There we go. Okay, buttons pressed. Can't tell. I don't hear anything. Try it again. I can't tell. Honestly, I don't know if that's working or not. Yeah, let's do some more testing. Oh, well, that's annoying. It was just that I got that error again. Is it just not able to take a picture, maybe? Weird, like if I press this button again, I might get the same error. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. So it seems like I can do this once and then never again, which is really annoying. It's like not releasing the camera, maybe? I don't know. Let's see. If I do... Don't look at that. Yeah, 10... No, not this. This. This actually let me see the video. Okay. Interesting. Close it. I gotta stop FFmpeg, and then can I do this again? No, hearing it. Interesting that can't do it multiple times in a row either. That's really annoying. What about this is holding the camera then when I run my thing? So here... No, then it ends. Up here it stops FFmpeg. Capture frame from camera. Does that. hits the stream, which is... Yeah, that should be fine, right? We're start FFmpeg. Yeah, interesting. Because now if I go and click the button again, it should fail, I think. No, that worked that time. Okay, so... do this again, let's run this command. One zero, no. I want to do 0 0, right? Paste that in, see what it says. Oh, something to do with the HDMI, right? Wait. That was it, right? It was something... I remember last time I had to do this. It's something to do with HDMI. I don't want HDMI mode on or something. This, something like this, right? Yeah, how do I change that? Defaulting... Okay, wait. Balena RPI set HDMI mode to aux. This is what I want. Okay, so you might need to configure... That's not what I want. This is just for Balena sound. Oh, I can't remember how to do this. Yeah, they do that. They connect it to the aux. Got that. Spotify connect, blah, 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 blah. Don't care about that. I want to use aux, not HDMI mode, and then we're just going to paste in the code. Okay, and Shure also uses headphones as default output. Okay. Okay. Since FFplay doesn't let you choose an ALSA device directly, the cleanest way to force aux is to use FFmpeg as a player and set audio, blah blah blah. Okay, that's lame. So, it wants me to use FFmpeg, that's really annoying. I wonder if there's a better way. Sys default headphones. Okay. Interesting. Oh, girlfriend's home. I can't remember. I wonder if there's a way to do this through 11 Labs. Let's just see the API for a sec. 11 Labs, Python. Show it to me. Documentation. Okay, text to speech. Okay, and then hey. How's it going? How's it work? Yeah. Code in. Oh, so cute. How was work?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, someday.
Yeah, was Anna there? The mirror project? I'm trying to get the audio to work. Yeah. What?
You started.
Yeah. Okay. Right. I don't know anywhere where shows how to play the audio though. Yeah. Let's see. Go back here. Yeah. Ugh. Go away. Play. Right. Okay. So play so audio equals the client. So we get that here. Audio stream. We don't need to do this, so let's just keep that there for a sec. And then instead of doing this, let's try and run play audio stream. And we have to get play from up here. I think it's just play. From 11 Labs, play. Yeah. Okay. Save that. Cool. Okay, so yeah, let's run this again. So I click the button. Okay, and I get the none type thing again, which is interesting. Yeah, it's annoying. Click the button again. Module is not callable. Okay. Interesting. So module is not callable. What do you mean module is not callable? Like play is not callable. So from 11 Labs, import play. Okay, and then play audio. But it's saying like that's not how we do that for some reason. So 11 Labs kind of infrared, blah blah blah. Show me how to play. So I'm gonna Control F play. Okay. Where does play come in? Okay. That doesn't make any sense. They're not like importing play anywhere. Play. I don't understand that. Where the fuck does the play come from? Okay. Run it again. Click the button. Okay, yeah, play is not defined. Where does play come from? Import voice settings. Maybe it comes from that? Yeah, let's try that. I doubt it though. Voice settings. No, it's this. That's just not going to be used at all. So audio stream, okay. Text to speech. Doesn't show me how to import it, but I believe it just comes from here. I don't really know. Show it to me. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the button now, and I'm gonna pretty much guarantee that this doesn't work the same way that it didn't work last time. Yeah, play is not defined. It's gotta come from here, right? But show it to me. Come on. Sure, I'll save this, but it's not able to unless it's like play.play or something. Can I generate command? Okay, if they have play here, play audio. Yeah. Previous version. Weird. I just call play like that. Unless I'm calling play with the wrong argument somehow. Yeah, play audio stream. Audio stream comes from text to speech.convert. Okay, well that's another problem. Try it again. Yeah. Come on. Oh, there it is. Okay. Module object is not callable. I don't understand that. Okay, let's ask chat. Run that. Oh, well, no, let's start a new one here. New chat. And I'll pass in this error as well. See what it says. But I don't think I did import it incorrectly. Play is a module, not a function. Well, that doesn't make any sense. No, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I don't. Why is play? This is how it says to import play. Right? 11 lab Python. And then how am I importing it? Just 11 labs. Okay, documentation. Quick start, maybe? 11 labs dot play. There we go. So where the fuck is this information, bro? It's so annoying. Okay, so then instead of this, get rid of that. I paste that, save that. Now this should work. The next thing I want to do, I think after I get this working, is I want to stop using the device directly. And I want to use something called Media MTX, which is like a proxy stream server, which then I can create an RTSP stream that will be easier to view from like a web page. And then I can also do both. I can do the live streaming and get the photo at the same time. So I think I'm gonna do that. I guess the problem is that it's gonna be streaming all the time. Yeah, which might be a problem. Yeah. Well. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see if I want to do that or not. It might be good to do it. I don't know. We'll try it. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, press the button. I need to add a little log down here that shows when I actually press the button. Okay, yeah, so this is really annoying that this happens on the first try. Okay. Okay. That may or may not have worked. Let me try. Let me see. First, see if this works. Okay, that didn't work. This time probably work. No, I didn't see it work that time either, which is quite annoying. There must be a way that I can tell the Raspberry Pi to output defaults to aux. Let's see. This. So a mixer CO contents. Okay, so well, we can't really use that, unfortunately. asound.conf. boot config.txt. This could be something. Oh, maybe it's in Balena. Like if I go into device configuration, maybe? This here, right? Audio on. Oh, it, okay. Maybe it's something in here I can choose. Let's see. Aux? No aux. Sound. HDMI. I feel like it'll be in the DT overlays for some reason. Oh wait. Ignore edid audio. Wait. What is this? Okay, yeah. That was bad advice. Ignore audio. Troubleshoot audio issues. So, troubleshoot audio system where the system defaults and even. Okay, so we don't want that, maybe. So maybe we want to turn this to 0. Save that. Okay. So we turned off this ignore. Now if we go back to our code, we should see it restarting. Yeah. Yeah, nothing else looks obvious either. But once this restarts, it should be good. And maybe that'll solve our problem? Also, let's get a MediaMTX container going just in case. MediaMTX. And then release as well. San Francisco. Okay, we'll get this for Linux ARM64. Is it? Which one is it? ARM v7? ARM v6? I can't remember. ARM64. I can't remember if it's 64-bit or not. Let's just do the 64 and give it a try. I feel like it's V6 for some reason. And then... Yeah, weird that it restarts and starts running this code. That's really strange. Really annoying, actually. Okay, so... I'll make a new service in here, call this... MediaMTX. And then we'll say... build... dot? I can't remember. Build dot slash MediaMTX. I can't remember. Let's see. Folder. MediaMTX, and I'll paste in these. What? Downloads. Copy those. Is it build? No, it's not build. Maybe? I can't remember. We'll go file. Yeah, log file. That's fine. And we'll come down here. Pass. And then I'll have to see how to get an actual camera going, but. And then also in here, let's add a new file called this startup.sh. And then we'll just say Python mirror Python3 mirror.py. So that, and then in Docker file we could say command, and we say bash mirror, right, something like that. Would that work? I think it needs to be /app, no? I don't know. No, it should be fine. File, save all. Okay, let's see if this works. So now it's gonna be doing that again, which is fine this time. But now, every time I save the mirror, shouldn't have to go back and like rerun all of this code, which is nice. Only if I change the startup.sh file. And then it should, hopefully, if we do this correctly, install the MediaMTX container properly as well. And let's just go read the docs as well for that. So go back. And then down here, whoa, they really slimmed down. Yeah, they really slimmed down on this documentation here. Whoa, look at this documentation, it's so nice. Way better than it used to be. Okay. Okay, publish a stream. And I want to do it from Raspberry Pi. Cameras are generic webcams, so cam. Okay, so if I'm to Linux, edit, blah, blah. And then dev/video1. Okay, yeah. So we're basically gonna run this. Okay. No such file or directory. Okay, so we fucked that up somehow. So this is just gonna be in. It's just gonna run startup.sh. Yeah, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay. And I just need to go look at something real quick here. Hold on, let's see. Let me just go to talking for a sec. I just need to check something that stream cannot see. Okay. 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 Interesting. Yeah. Hold up 1 second. File. Docker file. Enter to SH. Okay, so this is good, and then we need a new file. Hold up. 1 sec. Where did that just go? Oh, nope, don't want to run that. I just want to do this. Yeah, wait. I want to run. This. Okay, I think this is fine. Oh! There we go. Cool. Now if I rebuild this, let's just see if this works right now. Okay, mirror. See if it builds the BDMTX container or not. Okay. That looks like it's building. 1 sec, let me go back talking for a sec. And where'd it go? I just need to read my old project here. Where's my... Okay, so I could add that, but it's fine. Okay, cool. Permission denied. Okay, interesting. Privilege true. Oh, I have to give it like Chmod or whatever. Okay, so in here, don't I have to do it Chmod it? Or can I do that? Hold up. Let's check this. Okay, I have to do this. Oh no, I did that, right? Hold up. Okay. That's fine. Oh, and then inside of this one. Why? I don't understand that. Check back in this. Interesting. I think I just need that, no? Oh no, I have to do this. This is why I got it. Okay, now that should work. Okay. Wait, no, but it'll restart it and then it'll start working. Is that still happening? Why? Why are you happening to me? Permission denied. Weird. Shouldn't need permission denied. Entry, we're just calling exec here. Do I need to like chmod it? Let's see. Repush it. Nice, and that build's happening way faster now. Yeah, let's see. Okay. That looks good. And then, yeah, let's go into our medium TX YAML here. And then, based on here, we're going to copy this. Our paths, cam, and then this is /dev/ /dev, Control F, /dev, /video 0. Yeah, okay. /dev, /video 0, which is true. Okay. Save that. And then I need to go turn on WebRTC. Yes, port 8889. Okay, cool. So once that restarts, did it restart? Maybe? Let's see. 10.0.0.42/cam? Is that what we named it? Yeah, we named it cam. Okay, that's not up. Oh, what's the port though? Do we need a port? Port 999. No, port. Is that what it is? Yeah, port 8889. Okay. Flash cam. Okay, stream not found. Interesting. Yeah, so let me just do curl 10.0.0.42 port 9997. See. Yeah, we didn't turn on API maybe. API true. Save that. Okay, I think that's fine. Port 9997. No. I can't tell if it's working or not. API 997. It is 42, right? Curl. Curl is working. Yeah. Port 997 slash B2 slash. Let's see. Or, oh, maybe it's, I can't do it outside of, I have to be SSH'd in here. Curl localhost port 9997 slash v2 slash config slash list. Okay. That did absolutely nothing for me. Is there an API reference somewhere? No. His name to be obtained. Okay. Interesting. Well, let's try this again. No, that's not working. I wonder if we go back here. Go to the API, maybe? No, API. Documentation, maybe API here. Control API reference. V3, oh, we're on V3 slash info, okay. Okay. V3 config pass get. Okay. Paste that. What did that just do? No, that's not what I want. So let's do, oh god, this, we'll say v3 slash config slash pass slash get camp. And I'm gonna output that as JQ. Okay. That looks pretty good. And then here, 888.9, 888.7. Let's see. HLS, yes, 888. Slash cam. Stream not found. Why not? 404. Maybe there's some like auth or something. Auth mode internal. So, okay. So credentials are stored in the configuration file. HTTP and external HTTP URL is contacted to perform. Yeah, okay. We don't care about any of that. Do we really need to be doing all this right now? I don't know. Anyways, let's try and just like run our command right now and see what happens. So I'm gonna hit the button. See what happens. Okay, mirror is running, right? Yeah. Okay, but it's also unable to access the camera. So I'll run it again. It's weird that the output of this is different. Even though I can see it in there. Oh, it must just be... Bah. Interesting. Okay, so did it again. I also need to change that as well. So when I hit the trigger mirror here, I'm just gonna go and say like print mirror trigger received. I'll save that. Okay, press the button. We should see it immediately. Mirror trigger received. Same thing, interesting. Here, let's see. I'm just gonna copy this into chat here. Paste that, and then I'm just gonna paste all this code. And hopefully it'll help me parse out the response a little bit better and cleaner. I wonder if the, like OpenAI has an example. Okay, yeah. Chat completions. Chat kit. Weird. Okay. Oh, kicked my camera. Oh, way too much. Ugh. Alright, so yeah. Give me this. So robustly extract the assistant text. Turn off your reasoning so your old indexing works. play, we'll have nothing left to play. Oh, interesting. Ah, right. Interesting. Okay, that's a nice bug to know. No, we want this. Okay, so do this. So from here down, paste that in, and then we also want to go here, and we want to get rid of this. Cool, hopefully that will make a difference. Cool. So I'll run it again, click the button, mirror trigger received, get it back from chat. Okay, sending text to 11 Labs. Can't tell if that worked or not. I didn't get the end. Oh, there we go. Wait. Hold on. I'm gonna run it again to go check if the audio worked that time. That was amazing. Good working. That's amazing. That worked absolutely perfectly. That's so sick. Okay, so all we had to do was turn off the HDMI mode, and then it started to work. And then also stop. We were writing this audio stream to a file, which meant that since it's a stream, once we were writing to a file, that stream was done and we weren't able to play anything. So, big W there. That's really sweet. Okay. Yeah, that's really funny. Let's see if we can get the Media MTX thing working then. Now that everything else is working, let's get this Media MTX running. Okay, so create a new guy. And let's SSH it here. See why this cam thing isn't working. Let's do curl localhost port 9997 / v3 / config / path / get. Maybe? Config path get / cam. Yeah. That should be running, right? So maybe let's copy actually our command that we have in the mirror thing up here. Yeah, like this all looks right. Yo, Webs, how's it going, brother? We're working on some code right now. We're getting my mirror project working. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Right now I have this program running on my mirror in the other room, and when I click this button, it takes a photo and then outputs it to ChatGPT to go and reason with it, and then it outputs through my speakers. And so the idea is that it's gonna roast you. So like right here, it came back and said, I raised you to keep a tidy room, not to let procrastination turn your space into a museum of excuses. But right now, I think, let's see if this is working right now. Let's go to the IP address, port 3000. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. So this is like what the camera sees, and then it takes a photo of this, sends it to ChatGPT, and then it thank you for banning. I appreciate it. And then this is what the output was. It said, yeah, I raised you to keep a tidy room, not to let procrastination turn your space into a museum of excuses. And that was it. They have a bunch of personalities, so that personality was disappointed Asian father, obviously. Yeah. I'm trying to find a better way of doing this live streaming thing right now, so I'm using something called Media MTX that's gonna be streaming that camera so that I can like watch the live stream of the camera and do the button clicky thing at the same time. And right now it's not working. I should be able to go to this IP address at port 8888/cam, and I should be able to see the stream, but it's not doing the stream there. So, yeah, what is the problem? Let me go look at the logs, actually. I think that's a good start. So I have to go to the Media MTX container. What language are you using? I'm using Python. Yeah, so this is Python code. And then I ls, and I can see that the log file is here, so I can go and cat media mtx.log. Let's see. So fmpeg, oh, it's not found. Yes. So what I have to do is go in here, similar to this Docker file where I install ffmpeg, and I have to put that in this Docker file as well. So I'll do that. Save that. Control C. And then rebuild this code. And then now that should install ffmpeg, which is what I was trying to use here at the bottom of this gigantic file. I'm trying to run this ffmpeg command, but I didn't have it installed in this container. So, apt-get is also not found. Uh-oh. Okay, that's not good either. So, that means that this Docker file 3.6 run doesn't have apt-get? Really? So what am I running in this Docker file? Python Slim. 64 Alpine 3.16 run doesn't have apt-get. Interesting. Well, what can we do about that? I mean, let's just try this. Maybe just go with 64. Maybe not do Alpine to see if we can just do this and see if that works. How was your day, Webs? Selena, OS, Raspberry Pi image. Good, off from work today, so I'm just chilling. Nice, man. What did you get up to on your day off? Hello? No, not building the logs. What am I doing? Yeah. Building a push. Good for large file. Yeah. Paid a parking ticket? Where did you get a parking ticket? That's so funny. Okay, let's see. So this looks like it is correct? Maybe this is a big boy. Whatever. I won't have to change it much. Oh, for parking on the street overnight at your own house. What? That sucks. God. Oh, this looks like it might take a long time. Oh. Let's see. Linolib. 4. Yeah, I didn't even put my car in the street. What the hell? How did you? Why did you have to pay that parking ticket then? That's so annoying. Build. Debian latest. I want to like. I guess do we just do Alpine maybe? Like just go for Alpine. Try run that. I want something that's lightweight, that's not like a super big image, but it needs to have apt-get. 25 bucks down the drain. It was my dad or my brother, and I didn't know. Hate to see it. What? Why don't they pay it then? Fuck them. Yeah, that sucks. I've gotten so many parking tickets, but it's because my city is really annoying. It has like no parking, and they charge a fortune for parking. So I used to just like park and just like risk it, and I'd get like 20 tickets. Come on, run. Wonder how long it's gonna take. We should do the Wordle while we wait. Wordle. Alright. Let's go for... Oh. Well. My girlfriend already did it today. That's tough. Let's try... I've been working on this project for like 3 days, maybe. Well, technically, I've already built this project like a year ago. But I'm completely rewriting it, and I'm filming it all for a YouTube video, so yeah. Oh, wait, that ran. No! Apt-get's not found, what do you mean? Ugh. That's annoying. Okay, let's just go ask chat here. The apt-get was not found. Stand Alpine, yeah. Oh, it already has FFmpeg? No, it doesn't have FFmpeg. I don't think. Okay. Yeah, let's try using Debian. Let's try that. Debian latest, and then we'll use install packages instead. Which I don't know if that'll work or not, but let's just run this and try. Yeah, I've been working on this for like three-ish streams, at least. Okay, let's do Doles. Let's see, what's a good one? Blickle. Guess the movie based on the video clip. Interesting. Okay, let's try this one. Okay.
See me? When your Uncle Ralph calls, don't ask questions. See me? When your Uncle Ralph calls, don't ask questions.
I don't know, it looks kind of like Disney-esque. When your Uncle Ralph calls. I don't know what this would be. It's not like John Wick or something. Right? This looks newer too. No? Oh wait, is this Kick-Ass? I don't know. There's 2 Kick-Ass? Maybe it's this one? No? It's gotta be Kick-Ass 2 then, right? Yeah, Kick-Ass 2. Let's go. Is it builds yet? No. Wait. APK not found. Oh. God, okay, wait. We're gonna try the install packages thing then. Oh, this is so annoying. Let's try this. Okay, we got the Flickle. Let's try... let's try Bandle. One sec, let me pause the music. Daily Bandle. Missed yesterday's? No thanks. Let's hear this. 2017. What? 2.3 billion? What is this? Got my teeth on wedding rings. No, that's not 2017, is it? In the movies. Lord. It's not Royals, right? No. What is this song? I don't know, this, like, the bass did not help me there either. What's another 2017 song? I don't know. Let's see. Synth 1? Oh, I know the song. Oh, I know the song. Wait. Thunder. Right? Is this... Yeah, it was Magic Dragon Thunder. Thunder. Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, we got it in 3. Let's see, is our code done yet? Nope. Wait, did it build though? That's the question. Okay, yeah, this is working. Good shit. Okay, we got the Bandle. Why don't we try... Webs, have you played any of these Dole games? Let's do... Time Guesser. Daily. Okay. Interesting. Whoa, this is a sick photo. Where is this? Based on this, I'm gonna say this is probably like France, maybe? Yeah, this could definitely be French, especially the flags look a bit French too. So let's go France. It's maybe around. I don't know. Let's just go around here, and we'll guess. We'll guess like 70s-ish, like 69. Let's see, 1988. Oh, it was Germany. No, was it? Yeah, wow. Netherlands, wow. Okay, we were really off in that round. Okay. Ich hab Angst. Okay, so this is gonna be like Germany. Pretty recent too. Another German country. Let's go like Hamburg. No, safer just go Berlin probably, right? And this looks, quality looks pretty good actually. Based on that camera too, that camera's like a 2016 camera. I'll probably go like 2020. probably a safe guess. Ooh, 2021. And I was close. It was more central Berlin. Damn. Okay, next round. Okay. Okay. Okay, JFK. Right? No. Yeah? Yeah, JFK. When was JFK? He was 70s? 69? I'm also gonna guess like 1970. Somewhere in the US. I have no idea where this would be. I don't know football. But let's guess like Dallas maybe? Maybe that's a good guess. 1963. Oh, and it was in Florida. Oh, I could have guessed that too, actually. One sec, let me answer a text. Okay, next round. Let's see. Okay. Not for hire. This is also like 60s, 70s. But where? Like Japan, maybe? It could also be like Vietnam or something. I'll send, yeah, I'm gonna go with Japan in like 70s. Oh, it's the 80s. Damn it. And it was the Philippines. Oh. Okay, but let's not look at that one. Where is this? Okay. This is maybe Greece? Maybe? Like Athens? In what year? I don't know, honestly. This could be again like early 90s. Okay, 1990. Oh, and I was fucking way off. Wow. Yeah, I was way off. Nicaragua. Wow. Well, that was probably the worst round I've ever had. Okay, let's go back to our code. Okay. Output RTSP. Okay, am I able to view this now here on port 8888/cam? Maybe. Maybe. What about 8889? What's going on? Okay, I'm not really getting anything. Oh, wait. Start FMPEG for HLS. Wait, we don't want that. Oh, well. Okay. Good shit. Good shit. And can I take a picture? That's the question. Failed to open camera device. Okay. That's good. That's a good sign. Yeah, and also let's remove now this stuff. Start FMPEG, stop FMPEG. And then we want to go over here down to this. This stops FMPEG somewhere in here, right? Stop FMPEG. We can get rid of this now. Get rid of this. Stop FMPEG. Get rid of this. Save that. And now we're gonna have to get a frame from FFmpeg instead of using this capture frame from camera. Yeah, okay. So let's go back to chat here. And I'm going to create a new chat, and I'm going to say, I am using Media MTX to stream my camera device. Change the function that grabs an image to grab an image from the RTSP stream instead. Pass in the code, and then down here, this shows somewhere in here the RTSP stream. Which is this. That. Cool. Oh, I'm gonna play the music again. My bad. Okay, let's do this. And then I'll go in here and I'll paste this code into here. Paste. Okay, so this is default in the stream URL to be localhost 8554/cam, which is what we have set up. We're still using CV2. Okay. Interesting. I didn't know that we can do that. Okay. So read a few frames. Okay, that's good. Cap.release. We've gotten the frame. Okay. Save that. So it's basically the same code as before, where we're still using the yeah, video capture from OpenCV, which is dope. I didn't know that you can pass in a stream URL. Yeah, crazy. Huh. That's good to know. So let's see if this works. So I'm going to click this button now. Whoop. Capture frame from camera is not defined, so we'll change that to capture. And we'll just call this. Whoop. Go. Okay, I think that should be good. Save that. I didn't realize that the name of that function had changed. Cool, I hit the button. Mirror trigger received. Okay, it's taking a long time. Hell yeah. Oh, and I can hear it playing. That's sick. Okay, and then we can still go in here. We still can see the live stream. Dope, okay. Hell yeah. Now I wonder if I can also get it to... How do I get it to output to my computer? Yeah, I don't know. What would be the best way to get it to play on stream? I don't know. I'll have to figure that out for next stream. But yeah, this looks like this is working. Yeah, which is really dope. I wish it would like save. Hi Poetic, how's it going, brother? Okay, well that's dope. So now we're able to see the live stream here, which is like actually live. Good, man. I'm glad to hear. Did you get your computer working? I wonder if I can. No, that wouldn't work, right? No, I couldn't do that. Yeah, I'm trying to think of a good way of showing or playing out the voice that you so that you guys can actually hear it. I could do something like make this really small. Oh yeah, everything is working good. I'm gonna send you the video tomorrow. Once I do that, I'm ready to grind through anything else you need help. Oh, sweet, man. That's dope. Yeah, I will have, I'm working on another YouTube video as well right now, so I will definitely need your help making some clips out of it. Okay, so I'm gonna go walk into the other room right now, and then I'm gonna hit this button, and you'll see some text pop up down here. Let's see. Wait for it to go out. Takes so long. I need to speed this up. Okay. I raised you to be neat, not to host a Dust Bunny convention. Please clean this room before I start charging you. Charging you rent for the chaos. Oh my god, that's really funny. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Okay, you can see this. I'm gonna go stand in front of this now. There we go. Can you hear my audio now? I might have accidentally clicked the button. Sweet. Okay, could you not hear me this whole time? Or like just when I came back in? Oh no, you must have been able to hear me before. Okay. Yeah. So this said, back in my day, we wore clean clothes, kid. This hoodie and bed mess looks like you let a tornado pick out your outfits. So it caught my that I was wearing this hoodie and that the bed is messy. That's funny. But yeah, you were able to see me, I'm guessing, in the stream. Hopefully. I wonder if I go to the HLS version of the stream. If I can play back a little bit, maybe? No, maybe not. Okay, that's sweet. Yeah, I'll have to clip that. But I'm gonna get it. I need to find a way to make it so that the stream can hear me get roasted. Well, it takes so long. Yeah, that's awesome. And then also, watch this. And then I can open up a new tab here. That's my Home Assistant. And I can go, watch how fast this is. Bedroom light? Oh, wait. Play. Oh. Wait. Oh, God. Okay, check it. Oh, light turned off. Light turns on. That's pretty cool. You can see how like real time it is. What, the light? I can't tell if the lighting's better with this light on or not. You're like Iron Man controlling your house. Yeah, except, oh, I can also do it from this too. So if I go, what button is it? This one? Yeah, the triangle button on this turns it on. Here. And then I'll press the triangle button again. Here. And then you should see the light turn on. This is like Iron Man. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, and I can also control like my thermostat. Oh, I guess you can't really see. Here, wait. Take a look at this. If I turn this way, and then I press, where is it? Balcony lights. Yeah. Ah, balcony lights. Yes. Balcony lights. Yeah. I can control everything. But yeah, that's pretty fun. So sweet, I got this all working now. I can live stream and I can trigger at the same time. Yeah, I'll have to... I don't know, I'll have to come up with something for the next stream where I am able to see some like text and stuff come up here. Like, it'll print out the roast onto the screen or something. I think that would be pretty funny. Yeah, I can actually do that. Yeah, okay, that's a good idea for the next stream. I'll make a little UI for it and everything. That'll be sweet. Can I do that? Yeah. Wait, I think I can do that pretty easy. Okay, that's a good idea for the next stream. I think for now this is a good place to end the coding stream. But yeah, maybe we will play some new games or something. Okay,